Are you looking for the best air compressor for car and motorcycle tires? I have compiled a list of top 5 best air compressors this year. These are handpicked based on the overall design, hardware, customer reviews, and expert reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Before we start, I have a question, guys. Which one are you using right now, and what's your opinion on it? Let me know in the comment section.
Our air compressor is a true workhorse tool, so get one that delivers industrial performance with increased durability, less noise, and faster recovery. Get an industrial-grade air compressor from Makita. Makita compressors are powered by a 4-pole induction motor with direct drive for improved power and longer operating speed. Lower RPM means less noise and easier startups. The large cast iron cylinder pumps feature Makita's exclusive big bore cylinder and piston with heavy-duty crankshafts, so your compressor gets faster recovery and increased productivity. Pro contractors require industrial-grade compressors for top job site performance. Makita industrial-grade compressors deliver proven durability, less noise, and faster recovery.
Introducing the new Campbell Hausfeld 4.6-gallon twin-stack quiet compressor, ready to go wherever the work is. Because its advanced, lightweight design weighs about half as much as other air compressors. But it's no lightweight on reliability, with key components that are designed to deliver up to 4 times longer life. Its low-noise design produces half the sound output, so you can work just about anywhere and still get all the power you need. A new, user-friendly interface lets you make adjustments quickly and easily, and a new dual air coupler lets you and others maximize productivity, so you can get the job done efficiently and get to the next job too. The Campbell Hausfeld 4.6-gallon twin-stack quiet compressor. Half the weight, up to 4 times more life, half the noise, and all the power.
This 20-gallon portable air compressor from NorthStar is built for heavy-duty applications and long life. The gas-powered engine delivers 13.7 CFM at 90 psi, with a maximum PSI of 130. The belt-driven single-stage full cast iron pump features a V-type cylinder design for superior cooling. The floating-type Swedish steel valves deliver longer valve life, and the low-vibration technology features a dynamically balanced pump for smooth operation and long life. An easy start lever on the unloader valve isolates the pump from tank pressure, so the engine won't have to start under load. And the one-piece cast iron crankcase has bearings on both ends of the crankshaft for superior support. It also features a durable steel belt guard, a liquid-filled pressure gauge for better accuracy and protection against pressure spikes, and a pressure regulator to control outlet pressure. Plus, built-in wheels make it easy to transport. Tackle your heavy-duty applications with this 20-gallon portable air compressor from NorthStar.
This is a single-stage, 4.6 CFM, 135 PSI machine that sits on a 20-gallon tank with wheels underneath it. This machine has a 2-horsepower motor on it, 2 air filters. Our pressure switch has the integral on-off switch on it. There is a built-in regulator that allows you to change the pressure going to your tool or your point of use. This is where you add the oil to the crankcase. There is an oil level sight glass, and all of our machines come equipped with a 110-volt plug, so you can plug it into a wall outlet.
When you think of fastening systems, you may only think about the fasteners and tools. At Senco, we think about fasteners, tools, and compressors. Senco is proud to introduce 5 brand new compressors to our offering. Senco has always had a lineup of professional quality, reliable, go-to compressors, and these 5 are no exception. From finish and trim to roofing and framing, Senco has the right compressor for your job. Before we get into each of the new compressors, let's review some of the key specifications associated with air compressors and what they mean relative to performance and function. First is the pump type. Compressor pumps are either oil lube or oil free. Oil lube pumps require proper levels of oil and routine maintenance in order to perform properly. Oil-free pumps do not require any oil or regular maintenance and can be transported in various orientations without worry of oil spills. A key specification is SCFM. Standard cubic feet per minute, or SCFM, is the measure of airflow a compressor is capable of producing. A good rule of thumb is to get a compressor with SCFM at least 1.5 times the amount the pneumatic tool being used requires to operate. Another important specification is the tank size. The tank is where the compressed air is stored. So the larger the tank size, the more compressed air is in storage to be used to operate the pneumatic tool. In conjunction with the tank size is the maximum pressure specification. Measured in pounds per square inch, or PSI, this is the pressure the air compressor generates inside the tank. Higher maximum PSI also allows for longer operating time without the motor and pump kicking on to refill the tank. Lastly is horsepower. Horsepower refers to the power of the motor. Higher horsepower motors can fill the tank more efficiently, helping to reduce tank recovery time. The bottom line is that you want to make sure the compressor meets or exceeds the requirement of the tool and application. First up is the PC1010N. This is an upgrade to Senco's iconic and proven PC1010 1-gallon finish and trim compressor. We maintain the same great features the PC1010 offers relative to its ultra-quiet performance and lightweight, compact configuration. In addition to the roll cage, we added an integrated control panel and increased the maximum PSI to 135. The roll cage and integrated control panel help protect the critical components. The control panel also provides an improved orientation of the coupler, gauges, and pressure control knob, making this unit very easy to operate. The PC1010N's ultra-quiet and lightweight characteristics make it the perfect unit for any woodworking and finish and trim application. So let's run down some of the key specs on the PC1010N. First, it's electric-powered compressor. It has an oil-free pump, which eliminates the need for oil and regular maintenance. It produces 0.7 SCFM at 90 psi with a max pressure of 135 psi. It has a 0.5 running horsepower motor, 1-gallon tank size, and it weighs only 21 pounds. Next is the PC1280. This 6-gallon pancake compressor is designed with the power and speed to handle any finish and trim application. The compact, lightweight, and well-balanced design allows for easy portability. The entire pump and motor are completely shrouded for protection of critical components, as well as providing some storage areas for fasteners or safety glasses, and even a hose. The control panel has highly visible gauges and is equipped with dual couplers, allowing you to run 2 hoses at once. So let's run down the key specs on the PC1280. It's electric-powered compressor, an oil-free pump, which eliminates the need for oil and regular maintenance. It produces 2.8 SCFM at 90 psi, has a max pressure of 150 psi, a 1.5 running horsepower motor with a 6-gallon tank, and it weighs only 38 pounds. The next 3 compressors all offer exceptional performance specifications with intuitive functional design features. The PC0968N, the PC0969, and the PC0970 are all 200 maximum PSI units with 4.9 SCFM at 90 PSI, giving you plenty of airflow and tank storage for applications from finish and trim to framing and roofing. These units are designed specifically for the professional user with rugged roll cages and multiple grip points for easy transportation and storage. They are also equipped with a low volt job site start at only 95 volts. Now this is a critical performance specification that will allow these compressors to start on a job site that may only have a temporary electric pull or off of a generator. The long life induction motor and oil-free pump design provide excellent airflow and performance without the need for oil and regular maintenance. The PC0968N is a 4.5-gallon twin stack unit. It has the integrated control panel up front with easy to read gauges, dual couplers for running 2 hoses at once, multiple grip points for easy transporting, and a rugged roll cage to help protect critical components. Next up is the PC0969. This unit is also a 4.5 gallon, but it's a rollaway unit. This incorporates the same performance specifications as the twin stack with a 200 PSI ASME certified tank and 4.9 SCFM at 90 PSI airflow, oriented in a slightly different manner. The PC969 includes a telescoping handle that can be extended when transporting and returned down for storage. It also has integrated wheels in the back that do not actually engage the ground until the unit is tipped back. This helps prevent the unit from walking when the unit is running. Now let's run down the key specs on the PC0968N and PC0969. They're both electric powered air compressors. They have oil-free pumps that produce 4.9 SCFM at 90 PSI. The maximum tank pressure is 200 PSI. They have a 1.75 running horsepower motor and a 4.5 gallon tank size. Rounding out the line is the PC0970. Senco's 15-gallon vertical air compressor is an extremely versatile unit. The multiple grip points and rugged construction allow this unit to be used at both the job site and in garage or shop environments. Its compact design and wheels allow for easy portability and storage. This unit incorporates the same performance specifications as the others with a 200 PSI ASME certified tank and 4.9 SCFM at 90 PSI airflow. The 15-gallon tank provides plenty of air storage for just about any application in the shop or on the job site. The specs on the PC970 are: it is an electric powered air compressor, it has an oil-free pump that produces 4.9 SCFM at 90 PSI, the max pressure on this unit is 200 PSI, it has a 1.75 running horsepower motor, and a 15-gallon tank size. So that's a look at Senco's new additions to the air compressor product line. For more information about air compressors or any of Senco's tools and fasteners, visit www.senco.com.